Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way
Diamond Squad, it's your guest tonight, Diamond here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss anything I post. And last but not least, be part of Diamond Squad. Go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go watch my recent videos. And yeah, so I'm finally reviewing these palettes that I have won in Bridget's giveaway. I do have a couple more stuff that I won from her giveaway and I need to review, but yeah, sometimes I just do not feel like posting anything. So if y'all hardly see me post like that, because sometimes I don't feel like posting, but I do have another video that's gonna be after this. It's gonna be the Fashion Nova mini haul. It's either going to be posted tomorrow or the day after tomorrow is gonna be posted. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna be reviewing the Violet Voss HG Fun Size palette and the Crown palette. So yeah, I never tried anything from these brands before. So this is the Violet Voss. And I know Violet Voss is like an expensive brand, but I just never really cared to really look at these stuff like that. But we'll see how the eyeshadow performs though. So here we go. Here's the first two shades. Swatch the shimmer. Shimmer looks nice. I'm gonna swatch this gold. It's like a bronzy gold. So yeah, that. And the Crown palette. The Crown palette kind of looks very similar to the Violet Voss. It's kind of similar in a way. Okay, so I'm going to swatch this dark brown. I like a good nice brown shade. I'm going to swatch this like burgundy color. They like show very pigmented though. So here that is. And I'm gonna swatch one shimmer. It's like a copper color. So not bad, you know, pigmentation is pretty good. So basically I am going to create a look with both palettes. I'm gonna use the Violet Voss on this side and the Crown one on this side. So yeah, or either side, it doesn't really matter. So yeah. Guys, so I use both the palettes, and this palette I used it on this side. It worked out pretty good. I did start off with this white kind of shade for my like base. I used this one for the crease. I used this orange for the crease, and I used like this nice reddish pinkish color on my crease as well. And then I just put this brown right here. Kind of looks like it's purple. Like it did like it was purple when I was starting to blend it in, but maybe that's because I was blending it in with this color. But yeah, I went into this shimmer for like a half cut crease type of thing. And then for the Crown palettes, I went ahead and used this first right here, and then I use this on my crease as far as a little bit of this shade, and use this on like the outer corner of my eyes right here. And then I went in with this shade for like a half cut crease, but I didn't really like how it looked like, so I put this on top of it. So yeah, overall the palettes work pretty well. They blend really nicely. So I would say yeah, like I don't know if these still available or whatever, but if these are still available wherever you can buy it from, I would say, you know, grab some. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which side you like better. I try not to make the side look as, you know, natural or whatever, because I didn't want to like do two natural looks, you know, but yeah, it is what it is. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I